자, 여기 한번 보시죠. 이 나무가 이제 구스펜이라는 굉장히 유명한 나무입니다. 자, 제가 이 나무에 들어가고 있습니다. 이렇게 커요. 자, 다 안 나오죠. 기운이 느껴져요, 기운이. 자, 왔습니다. One, two, three.
You want me to take one of you? Are you good?
Yeah, I think I'm fine.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Did you walk in there yet?
Not yet.
Oh, it's really amazing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you don't even have to go very far, and it's just mind-blowing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I can feel kind of in a nature spirit. And tree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
tree
further I
spirit.
went in, the more I felt like I'm just part of it.
You
I just
part.
feel like I could just be absorbed into the energy in there. 'Cause